For example, if you're working in an open room or a small office with no interaction, this would influence my decision, as I'd like to have interaction with other people rather than being stuck by myself in a small office room. Overall, I believe it is a good job, but it's not something that leaps out for me due to the disadvantages weighing out the advantages. Person specification. The person specification requires the applicant to be confident, self-motivated, flexible and creative, able to organize complex information, and have an undergraduate degree. Overall, I believe I possess most of the qualities needed to be a nutritionist. I feel like I am very confident in anything that I carry out and try to complete it to the best of my abilities. I'm self-motivated in what things I'm interested in, like being a nutritionist possibly. So that would it's definitely something that I would bring to the table with the job. I'm quite flexible in that I can easily move things around in my schedule to fit it in with work. However, I don't have the undergraduate degree, which is something that I would need to gain at university, which comes up as quite a problem as they ask for it with the job. This one is sports performance analyst. The sector is sport and exercise science. Job description. They will need knowledge of the sport they work in. Performance analysts also need excellent maths and IT and research and analytic skills to produce and understand complex data. They also need to be good communicators to explain their ideas and concepts to coaches and to motivate players. Evaluation. These salaries are quite appealing to me, especially starting off on 20 grand a year and with experience possibly earning up to 60 grand. This is something that I like the look of within this job. Travel is a bit of an issue as it requires me to travel up to London Velodrome, which consists of taking 2 trains from where I live and then a 20 to 25 minute walk from the station to the velodrome. However, a bonus of this job is that you get up to 48 days holiday, which is good for me as it gives the opportunity to have more outside commitments. Another bonus is that I will be working with people who have similar interests that I do, so the social side would also be good. Person specification. The person specification requires me to be a good communicator, have good maths and IT skills, and I have 2 degrees in sport and exercise science as performance analyst. I feel like I have good communication skills so that I would be able to communicate with coaches and athletes quite well to be able to give them pointers in order to improve the athlete's performance. I have good math skills but would have to improve on my IT skills, which can be done with experience really, so this would help through the job. I'd also have to go to university to be able to get a sports and exercise science degree and the sports performance analyst degree. Prioritise summary. An overall summary is that strength conditioning coach is my number 1 pick because it's one of the jobs I'm most interested in. This will allow me to work with top level athletes in the sport that I'm very interested in. My second pick is either nutritionist or sports performance analyst. I feel like they're very well matched as they both have a very good salary and is something that I'm genuinely interested in. The advantages and disadvantages are quite similar, so I struggle to put them in a certain place. My last pick was the personal trainer. Overall, I didn't see it as a job that I would like to do as I don't find it very interesting and the salary is something that doesn't interest me as well.